Hello everyone, welcome back to Take Me Around. Today I have a special video because I just received at home this mystery box. This is the MacBook Pro 14 inches that I purchased 3 weeks ago, and it's right here, so let's unbox it. Looks very light. I cannot wait anymore, so let's open it up and see what is in here. Oh, look at this. It's my new Mac. I'm changing my computer from a 2016 15 inches MacBook Pro, which means that I've been working with that computer for almost 5 years. So definitely this is time for an upgrade. And I decided to get the MacBook Pro 14 inches after a lot of thinking. I wasn't sure if I should go for the 16 inches because it's bigger, better speakers, but I think I need to prioritize portability. This computer is lighter and smaller and still gives me screen real estate for me to work. So I cannot wait anymore. Let's open it. This is so exciting because I haven't opened any Mac for a long time. And ta-da-da-da, let's see what is in here. Oh my gosh, this is my new computer. Light, very light. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at this, so beautiful. I love that it's engraved here, MacBook Pro. I need to check what else I have in here. Some paperwork, I'm assuming they're including, yep, Apple stickers, charging brick. Originally it comes with a 66 watts and you can change it and actually choose the 96 watts. I choose the 96 watts. Thanks God they are not taking this up from the main box. I choose 96 watts charger because I think that's the one I have with my previous MacBook. So, and this is a charging cord, MagSafe cable. Awesome. I mean, I was totally fine with the USB Type-C. I mean, I don't mind. I travel a lot, especially for my other channel, so I always need to keep a lot of cables and chargers with me to charge my computer, my phones, my cameras, the watch, the earphones. I'm charging a lot of things, so I would rather having all of them USB Type-C instead of changing again. This will be a faster option in case I run out of battery in an airport and need a quick charge. That will be a lifesaver for a long flight perhaps. It's like they were talking about it's very safe. It will, if you trip against this, it will not take the computer down, but how often do you trip with your computer charger? I think it was too much hysteria about the MagSafe. I mean, I like it, it's good to have it, but USB Type-C works okay for me as well. So, oh, look at this. Look at it. Beautiful. The speakers are going to be definitely an improvement. Look at this beauty, I got my new Mac, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's check and start comparing the old computer against the new one. This is the reason why I choose a new computer, because this was already a little bit outdated. I started having troubles, especially when editing video in 4K sometimes, especially the space. The storage, I just have 256 gigs, which is definitely not enough. In the new one, I got with 1 TB, which I hope it's going to be enough for me to keep storing some of the footage that I have for my channels. So here we have the two computers, the old and the new one. I think it's quite an improvement, especially when we're talking about the space that is going to take in my backpack and the weight. It's not like a huge difference, but this is still lighter and also smaller, and that was something I was looking for because I carry my computer everywhere. I love that I have a huge screen to work on this computer, but I definitely need to choose this time portability. I started traveling more and more often, creating content for my 2 channels, so definitely for me having less weight in my backpack is a plus. So I was comparing, this is the 15 inches MacBook from 2016. This is 14 inches. So when you compare actually the real estate or the space that you have in the screen, is not like a huge difference. But when we were talking about the weight or the space I will take in my backpack, yeah, there is definitely improvement. I can see the logo is getting bigger in this one, in the new one. This is like flatter computer here. Of course, the new one is a little bit thicker than the previous one, I believe. But my gosh, I just love the difference. Look at this. Look at the difference, and look all the space that I will be saving when I'm carrying this computer around. I'm talking about maybe like up to 3 centimeters, and here maybe 4 or 5 centimeters smaller. That's a big thing. That's a big change. And of course, another one of the changes of improvements that I definitely appreciate that Apple made to this computer are the ports. Having the HDMI port for me is a plus, because I use also an external monitor for editing and I need like a bigger screen. And having the SD card reader also is a big plus, because I also have my cameras, and it's going to be way easier transferring files from the main camera to the computer. It's good we still have the 3.5mm head jack. We have 2 more USB Type-C and the MagSafe port here for charging. Another of the big changes that this Mac is bringing to my life is I'm gonna get rid of all of these. These are the dongles that I just hate so much, because of course the old Mac, all it have is a USB Type-C connector. So I love having this new computer because it's going to bring a lot of new changes to the Mac experience. No more dongles needed for me to transferring files, to connect external monitors, to transfer files from the camera to the computer. Dongles, bye-bye. I have now my new Mac with HDMI port and SD card reader, so that is awesome. I was looking for a new computer that is fast. I believe this new chipset that this computer is coming with is more than powerful enough for me. I didn't get the Max, this is just the M1 Pro, which I think is going to be enough for me. I have 1 terabyte storage. I'm gonna go ahead and start transferring all my files from here to the new computer. Later on, I might do an in-depth review of the new MacBook Pro 14 inches. It's, I think, a big change for people who's been using the previous generations, or if you are a content creator, you need to do heavy workload. This is definitely a computer that you should get. Oh, I'm going to miss you, or maybe not. Okay, comparing side to side, yeah, definitely this is a big change. We're talking about a lot of space. I'm going to miss maybe the trackpad from the 15 inches. It's good you have also the fingerprint reader or Touch ID in the new one. Sometimes I found useful the touch bar. Many people were applauding the fact that Apple removed it from the new ones, but once you start using it, or some of us were still using them and got used to the fact that we have so many options on this touch bar on the top of the keyboard. So I might miss it, but I think I will get used to very quickly to the new one and the new way with the physical keys. It's a matter of time, I believe. For the notch, I'm not sure. I think it's also a matter of time to keep using this computer. Everybody kept saying that when you're using like a full screen or you're editing and all the apps when it's opening, you're not going to notice the notch. So it's going to be part of my full review later on. Let me know, what do you guys think about this computer? Are you planning to do an upgrade for your computer? Do you think this is too expensive? Do you think it's not needed? Do you think this notch makes it too ugly? I would like to read your feedback and your comments. So that was it for today. Thank you very much for coming with me for this unboxing experience, and then I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye. To keep watching the coolest content in technology and review of the latest products, subscribe to Take Me Around and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.